Hello and welcome to Dhyey Consulting's Material Cost Prediction Power BI app. At Dhyey, we have set out to implement projects that help you monetize your data. We design apps and dashboards focusing on leading KPIs and tailor our solutions specific to processes businesses like you seek to optimize. You can now employ historical data and often incorporate external factors to generate actionable insights that can help you navigate your day-to-day business activities and refine your strategies in a rapidly changing environment. This dashboard helps forecast material costs using predictive algorithms like linear regression, whole winters, and random forest. It showcases sample data for 5 key commodities with predicted prices compared to actual from the ongoing year. At Dhyey Consulting, we help you customize data sources and algorithms to match your use case so you can optimize your procurement strategy with confidence.